celery, romaine lettuce, blue cheese, and homemade dressing. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are eating green and clean and making our stuffed celery salad. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. To make the salad dressing, minced shallot, and set aside. Pour olive oil into a measuring cup. And add Dijon mustard to it. Whisk to combine. Pour in red wine vinegar. Open a jar that has a lid and pour dressing mix into it. Add shallots too. The dressing mix should look like this. Vigorously shake to combine and set aside. Take a moment to like and share this simple salad recipe. Check out our channel for other easy, healthy meals. If you enjoy what we are making, subscribe on the link below the video, followed by clicking on notifications. Moving on to the stuffed celery. Rinse and slice celery. Oh, remember to discard or compost the ends. Cut celery into 4-inch pieces. Cut off celery leaves. And set them aside. Crumble blue cheese into a blender or a food processor. Add sour cream, salt, pepper, and optional heavy whipping cream. Process until smooth and creamy. Place blue cheese spread, evenly into celery pieces. Top each piece of celery with 1 kalamata olive. What veggies, if any, do you enjoy eating stuffed? Share your responses in the comment section of this video. To make the salad, chop lettuce. Place lettuce into a colander along with celery leaves and rinse. Dry leafy greens using a salad spinner. Transfer lettuce to a large bowl. Slice 1/8 of a red onion and add onion to the salad. Grab salad dressing. Pour as much as you like over the salad. Gently toss until coated. If you are enjoying this simple salad recipe, like and share it. Also, subscribe below. This small act helps our channel grow. Transfer coated salad to a serving bowl or a dish. Top salad with as much stuffed celery as you like. Garnish with tomatoes and smoked paprika. Fresh, crispy, and delicious. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.